Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you PixelPages SaaS application website building for HTML template. This is our admin panel. We can see dashboard, templates, then created site, then purchase plan, skip version. Another option is plan. You can add plan, edit and delete also. You can change status, template, same pattern, create template, and user list. You can add users, edit and delete also, then templates, setting. You can customize payment system, email settings, then pages. You can edit pages, about us, private policy, terms and condition, then font settings. This is font and settings. You can modify it, then contact us. You can see all contact information, then you can edit your profile. If you need it, check the link in the description. For the installing help, contact us.